Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to program a drum beat on the Alesis SR-16, and hopefully to you this will be just like programming your alarm clock. Did I say like? Where you're going to want to start is you're going to need a clear preset. So normally you're going to show all the presets that are already coming with the machine. What you would do is hit preset user, and I've of course named this one. What we're going to do is we're going to do a variation of this one. So we'll go ahead and hit B, and that's going to show us an empty patch. And we're going to go to the recording setup. Under quantize select, you're going to see that you can quantize. You can pick what note you're going to quantize to, which means let's say that you get your pattern off just a little bit. It's going to round back to the nearest either downbeat, upbeat, or subdivision that you select. So you're going to use the up and down buttons. And in this case, since we were already at eighth notes, well, we'll start with 8 notes. But you're going to use your page up, page down, select between. So you got your swing select. This is to let the SR-16 know whether or not you want to add any swing, which means that it's not going to exactly line up as straight 8s or what have you. You know, there'll be a little swing to it. Gotta click select. That's for your metronome if you're using the metronome. That's for the volume of the metronome. And you can select the velocity of how loud you want for the response on the drum pads to be. Going to keep it at loud. You can use page up, page down to select between soft, medium, loud, and 8 versions of velocity fixed. We're going to keep it at loud. And here, the beat length, this is let the SR-16 know how long the pattern should be. So it's by default set to 8 beats, which would be 2 measures of 4/4. You can go all the way up to 24 beats. Now, here you can name the drum pattern. And what you would do is you're going to press the up and down buttons to change the letters. And whenever you select the correct letter, you can press the page up button to select the next letter. And you can go back and forth that way. You can hold it down to make it go faster. And it goes all the way into lowercase. There you go. And then we're going to select compose. After you press compose, you will press play. Now, 1, 2. Alright, I know I messed it up. So, perfect time to go ahead and show you how to fix that problem. So if you mess it up, after you hit stop, all you have to do is hold down the erase button. While you're holding down erase, hit play. And it'll erase the pattern. On the downside, it also erases the name. Ain't that just special? Alright, so we have the drum. So we have the snare and the kick programmed in. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back into the recording setup. And we're going to change the quantize on this from 8th notes. Back out of that. We're still in compose. We're going to do close hi-hats. Now, if it's not showing the beats scrolling across, be sure to hit record setup while it's recording. All right, so now if you listen through your recorded pattern and you notice that there's a missing snare or kick or whatever you put in, you can always add that in. Just listen to your pattern playback and just simply add it in. So this was an adventure recording, holding the phone with one hand and demonstrating with the other. So I hope that you got something out of this. It was a pleasure to make this video. You have a good day. Bye.